Hi, the chapter name is Sports. We are at the chapter number 15. It's a page number 55. So let's begin the chapter. Sports. Sports competitions are held in different countries and in nations all around the world. The basic motivation and the motive for the sports is to make all the nations the one. Because sports join the different nations and the countries. Now moving towards the next slide. Among all sports, most famous ones are Olympic Games. These are the most famous ones. The second one is the FIFA World Cup. It's related to the soccer, the football. Then we have the Cricket World Cup, Wimbledon tennis tournament. Then we have Tour de France. It's a cycling competition. Okay. Then we have a Rugby World Cup. Afterwards we have South Asian Games. These are the famous ones. All over the world there are more than 400 sports, but these are the most famous one. Among them we will discuss one of them. I will tell you the important one, which is Olympic Games. The most important sporting event in the world is Olympic Games. Hundreds of players from many different nations and the countries take part in various sports competitions. Why they participate? Because for representing their country in the Olympic Games and also to win the medals. So why do we call Olympic Games are Olympic Games? Why don't we use another name for the games? So behind this name there is a reason, and the reason is based on history. Let's see the name for Olympic Games. Why do we call Olympic Olympic? Olympic Games were first held more than 2700 years ago at a place called Olympia in ancient Greece. Okay, so in the older times these games are first held. Okay, but why Olympic Games are held? Olympic Games are held in respect to some king named as Zeus, as it is mentioned in many books and also in the Google that it's organized or held in the respect of a king named as Zeus. Afterwards the game continued till 12th century. Okay, so it held near about 2700 years ago at a place. The name of the place is Olympia. It's in ancient Greece. The most famous games in the Olympia were racing, wrestling, spear throwing, and other competitions. As we all know what is racing and what is wrestling, but there are some other competitions. But there is a one new word. It's a spear throwing. What it is? Let's see the picture of the game. In this picture, as you see, the person has an arrow-like stuff. What that arrow-like stuff is? It's a thrower. It's a arrow thrower. Okay. It's based on the rod. This arrow is made up of a rod. The person throw it for some specific distance. Okay, this game is known as a spear throwing. Now the games continue to held in Olympia for many years, as it's mentioned in your book that it's held for many years, but exactly it's held till 12th century. Okay, afterwards there was a Roman emperor in 393 AD. He stopped those games. Why he stopped those games? Because he said the persons or the games are the reasons for the pagan cults. What is means by pagan cults? Pagan cults is the older term normally used for the atheist. Okay, atheists are the persons who never believe on any religion. Okay, so that king or the Roman emperor thinks that the sports are the reason to become the atheist. At that time it is called as a pagan cult, so he banned them. Okay, after a very long time the Olympic Games were held again. Okay, so that after very long time, the Olympic Games were held in a modern times. They took place in 1896. Okay, it held in 1896, where it is again same. It's in Greece. The city is Athens. Okay, so we call Olympic Games Olympic because of the Olympia, because it is held at Olympia. Okay, now moving towards the next slide. Since then, since 1896, the games have taken place regularly every 4 years, except for cancellation of 1916, 1940, 1944 games. Why? It's because of the world wars. Okay, so there's a point, games have taken place regularly every 4 years. But why for 4 years? Why not for 2 years or 1 year? Okay, let's say it's basically for the ancient origin and for the tradition of the ancient origin. That's why they are held after every 4 years. Okay, and the time in the older times, the difference between the years of the sports known as the Olympiad. For example, if the game were held in 1916, so the next game will be organized in after 4 years in 1920. The difference between the years or the gap between the games is known as a Olympiad. So games are organized after every 4 years, but 3 times games were not held because of the world war. What are the years? It's 1916, 1940 and 1944. Each time they are held in different countries. Okay, Olympic Games are held in different countries. So who decided that where Olympic Games were held? It's not mentioned in your book, but I am telling you the point that countries, the richer countries, make a bid. They make a bid for the game held. So that game held in their country, they make a bid in the international associations of games to hold the games in their countries. An important part of game is the Olympic torch. An important part of the game is the Olympic torch. Okay, how it looked like? It looked like this. It's a current picture of the Tokyo Olympics of 2020. Okay, but right now, due to current situation, Olympic Games were not confirmed yet. Okay, but if they are executed or held, they will be organized or held in Tokyo 2020. Normally, Olympic Games locations are based on the popular locations. Olympic torch is carried to all different countries, those who are taking part in the Olympic Games. So, this torch is a traveling torch. So, it starts traveling to different countries, those who are taking part in the Olympics, and then brought back to the country where they are being held. Okay. A flame is lit from this torch at the start of the Olympics in the regard of old tradition of Olympia.